Okay, well, good morning or afternoon, whenever you watch this, parents. I want to give you a quick update about especially the math. It's been going really well, so I'm really excited about that. But I want to let you know something about how to check your students' grade and specifically why they got the grade on the assignment. So here we are in GradeLink, and I'm going to scroll down here. For me, it says grade sheet, but for you guys, it'll be under assignments. And I have this test student down here, and he got an 85. And when I click on the actual grade, so I'm going to go back and do that. So I scroll over to the grade itself right here, and let's say he's making an 85, so I click on that, and I say, why did you make an 85 on homework 10.4? Well, since most of you are turning in the homework through pictures, I can't really write on the pictures, which is okay. It would be a pain to do that anyway, so I don't expect that. But as you can see, this part right here is the description. So on many of yours will say something similar, right? You got many of these right. However, you must remember to add exponents when you multiply, or you must use the FOIL method, or something simple explaining why you've gotten the grade you've gotten and basically why you missed the ones that you missed, okay? So what I'm also going to do, so that will hopefully be helpful and make sense. So if you didn't know that, it's in the comment section. That's where you can see what your student did wrong or right, or just what was going on. The other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start having a time where for each class, so for like my 7th grade math, I'm going to have a time when I'm on Zoom and you guys can join the Zoom with me if you have a specific question. So it's not mandatory, but it's just that way I can see the students if they have questions and actually work them through problems. Okay, so that's going to be posted here. So if you're in 7th grade, you'll go here, and then right now you see what is there for today, and you have the link to the video and the homework. I'm going to create one that says something about Zoom time up here, and then you'll see, let's say that it's going to be Tuesday at 10, and Tuesday from 10 to 10:45 you can be on, and if your student's in 7th grade, you can chat with me. And then I'll do the next one, I'll be like a Wednesday at 10 for 8th grade, and then Thursday at 10 for 9th grade or something like that. So I haven't decided exactly what time I'm going to do, but it's going to be posted right here in the Communicate tab, and it'll be very clearly marked, okay? That's a very important thing for us. If your student is really struggling to understand the concepts, please have them join on where I can work with them, even if it's through technology, through the Wi-Fi. The other thing is that I'm going to be sending out some of the homework answers to you parents. That way you can help your kid. A lot of the homework like correct answers in the math book have the way to work it out. So they actually have the step-by-step process of how to do that, and they show you why the answer was the way it was. So I want to have that for you as well. That way you can help your child if they need help figuring out why the answer was that way or why they're getting them wrong. They can see, oh, this is what the book says to do. So hopefully that'll be helpful, especially for 7th and 8th grade that don't have any answers in the back of the book. I'm planning to send some selected answers to you all. That will also probably be through a link like this that will have photos of the actual textbook with the textbook answer. That way you can walk them through. Obviously, don't just give them the answer, but hopefully it will help you be able to walk them through what they're doing wrong. So yeah, a lot of information, but that's the main thing here is if you go to grade sheet, you click on the actual grade, then you can see why your student made that grade. You can go to the Communicate tab where you're going to hear about the Zoom, where I'm going to show you where we'll basically have a time for 7th grade to log in or 8th grade to log in and chat with, like basically they have the opportunity to have me teach them in person. And then last I'm going to be sending you some answers. So week 1 was good. Most people did really well. So I was really impressed, really excited. But just looking forward to making this a better scenario and just keep improving on what we're doing. So thank you very much. That's all from Mr. H.